sure you subscribe. Like this video. Comment down below. Give me a huge thumbs up. Give me 2,000 likes to the Legal Garage.
Project on the FFR Cobra, aka the Alumacobra. We did yesterday. We did the billet mirror. I didn't took a video because I just use this bracket from Darkwire Customs and just attach it to the billet mirror. I still gotta cut this extra aluminum on the sides because I don't like how it look. But today we're gonna do the Aston Le-Mans cap, the gas cap on the fender. The Mark III Cobra has got a smaller hole for the gas cap because they had a different style attachment on the older models. But this is a Mark III Cobra, but I got a newer style Le Mans cap. So I need to fit this diameter of the gas cap. It needs to fit in here. The hole was about this big. I already started some cutting. I forgot to start the video, but it was about this big. So I'm just grinding the hole, making it larger so the whole cap can fit snugly in there. And then I already marked the holes. This is the gasket, so that's pretty much how the size of the hole needs to be. And then we need to drill the holes so we can attach the stainless steel hardware on there. The gas filler tube is already there, covered with the rag. So we're just gonna keep grinding and then test fitting the gas cap. I'm using a vacuum just to keep the fiberglass at bay. And as you can see, Clementine, the dog, is not here. She took the day off, so she's not gonna be on this video. I'm gonna stop the video here and I'll be right back. Thank you, camera woman. Still needs a little bit more grinding. It's almost there. Looks like that's about the right size. See, now it fits nice and snug. So now we're just gonna make sure that holes, the marks are for the right holes. Make sure I got it oriented the right way. I gotta see some pictures because I don't know exactly where it's supposed to be. And then drill the holes, and I need to get the hardware because I don't have it. We'll start marking the holes. The hole and the mounting holes. I'm gonna use this Allen socket mounting bolts. See how it looks. Well, we're gonna put it on, and then we'll see how it looks with this hardware. If not, then we change it to the other ones. We'll see. And there it is, guys. Another project done on the Cobra. It's getting there, slowly but surely. So the gas cap is done. Stainless steel hardware. I kind of like that bolt head. I think I'm gonna keep it. I was gonna change it for button heads, but I kind of like that one. So it's there, solid. It's not going anywhere. I love that cap. I love how they look. And here's underneath, stainless steel lock nuts and stainless steel washers, stainless steel clamps, and a stainless steel tube. So it should last for a while. I just wish the car was already painted, so I didn't have to do this again, but it's gotta be painted. Well, and this is what I did yesterday. The billet mirror, and I got the hood hinges done. I just need to install the prop rod to keep it up, and still need to do the mounting for the pin on the latches. I'm working on that. I got some ideas on how to do it. We'll see how it turns out. Well, thank you guys. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe. I need subscribers, lots of subscribers. Thank you very much. This is the Illegal Garage. Thank you.